Breakfast protein, 5 options to boost muscle mass first thing in the morning. Welcome to our channel, your go-to spot for the best tips on health and wellness. Before we dive in, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to stick around and watch this video till the end, you won't want to miss any of our tips. Together, we can build an amazing community packed with knowledge, making sure you always have access to the best ways to enhance your quality of life. So, are you ready? Let's get into it. Kicking off your day with a protein-packed breakfast is a game changer, not just for those looking to bulk up but also for anyone aiming to enhance their overall health. It's key to balance your meals with the right macronutrients to ensure your well-being. You can even calculate how much protein you should aim to consume daily. However, one of the major hurdles is that traditional protein sources like chicken, meats, and fish aren't always the most appealing options in the morning. Sure, that classic slice of buttered toast is tasty, but it's not exactly a protein powerhouse. So, we already know that's not the way to go for a healthy, protein-rich breakfast. With that in mind, we teamed up with nutritionist Ana Alves, a graduate of São Camilo University, to bring you some healthy, protein-rich breakfast ideas that will spice up your morning menu. Here are some tasty options to please everyone, ranging from savory to sweet. Protein-packed breakfast suggestions to elevate your diet. 1. Protein pancakes. Ingredients: 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour, 1 tablespoon of plant-based protein, pea or rice, 1 teaspoon of seeds, like chia, flax, sesame, or your favorite, a pinch of salt and some chopped cheese, half-aged. Instructions: mix all the ingredients together and cook in a non-stick skillet. Flip it to cook both sides while keeping the lid on, and remove it to brown when it's almost done. Pair it with 1 cup of coffee or tea, 1 glass of fresh juice or any drink you like. 2. Tapioca with scrambled eggs. 1 tapioca, 2 tablespoons, cooked in the pan. 2 scrambled eggs with a drizzle of olive oil. 1 teaspoon of chia or flax for filling. Pair it with 1 cup of coffee or tea, 1 glass of fresh juice or any drink you prefer. 3. Vegan tapioca. 1 tapioca, 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of tofu spread, just mash the tofu and season with herbs and salt to your liking. Pair it with 1 glass of plant-based milk, 2 scoops of plant-based protein, 1 cup of coffee. 4. Papaya with eggs and bread. 1/2 papaya plus 1 teaspoon of chia. 2 scrambled eggs with a drizzle of olive oil. 1 slice of whole grain bread or a French roll without the crumb. 1 cup of coffee/tea, 1 glass of fresh juice, or any drink of your choice. 5. Protein scramble. 3 tablespoons of plain couscous. 1 tablespoon of ghee or regular butter. 2 scrambled eggs with a drizzle of olive oil. 1 cup of coffee/tea, 1 glass of fresh juice, or your drink of choice. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up so we can keep doing our work and continue sharing the latest info and tips with our followers and everyone who cares about their health. We're all about helping you improve your eating habits and your daily life. Check out our other videos too.